dog. Pencil is starting. Let's go, my friends. I love pets, especially a dog. Now we are drawing the ears. Carefully drawing its body. What cute dog! She's swinging. Now we are drawing the dog's hand and feet. I'm so happy that we are painting a dog. This is Lily. She's happy too. It's time to draw the dog's tail. Start drawing its face. Your eyes are so cute. You will be colorful right now. Pretty butterfly, bring the orange flower. Slowly coloring its body. Thank you for being with us until the end. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.